Hello lovely people, welcome you back to my page. This is Home Sweet Food. Today I'm going to share with you how I do ferment my corn flour before I use it for Kenkey. I've received a lot of comments to share how I make my Ghana Kenkey. So this is my corn flour. You can get this in your supermarket or your local market. So I wanted to ferment more so that I can do more Kenkey when the family need it. So I have 4 and this one is yellow corn flour. If you don't have it, no problem. Then I have my water and then I have some plastic wrap to wrap it on when I'm done. So you need a clean bowl and then pour all your corn flour and then you start mixing. So with this, add the water bit by bit. You don't want to overdo with the water, so do it bit by bit. When everything mixes, and then you put in a clean container and then ferment it for 2 weeks. So some do their own for 1 week, some do 4 days. For me, if I don't do the 2 weeks, I still taste the freshness of the corn flour. The more you ferment this, the better your Kenkey will be, right? Keep on watching Home Sweet Food. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and then let's build this page together. I love you all for the support. Keep on watching.
Where did you said home sweet food. Adrianepa, Manije, Adrianepa, our reso, Adrianepa, Mabumude. Home sweet food. Adrianepa, Manije, Adrianepa, our reso, Adrianepa, Mabumude. Home sweet food. Yeah, better sharing our recipes. Home sweet food. Adrianepa.
So right now we're done mixing the corn flour. Put it in a clean container that you want to store this, and then level it up and then put your plastic wrap on. I do 2 times to avoid mold forming on top of your corn flour. So once the 2 weeks pass, I put it in the fridge. So when I need it, then I'll take it out and then cook my Kenkey. Home Sweet Food. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, follow for more recipes. Bye bye.